Alright, so the Kenobi video got some views, so I'm going to milk it. Look up Vinci Resolve. Download it. Whatever platform you're on. Make a new project. Call it whatever you like. Once it opens up, go to the Edit tab. Drag in your footage. Drag your footage into your timeline. Cut the parts you want and get rid of everything else. Now, you need to separate each shot into its own cut. You can do this manually, or you can use scene edit detection, which is faster, easier, but sometimes it makes mistakes. If you see any of those, fix them. Okay, go to the color tab. Inside the color tab, go to the tracker section. Inside the tracker section, go to the stabilize section. That's a lot of sections. Here you have a bunch of options that you can adjust depending on how much you want it stabilized and using which method. Just stick with the defaults for now. Click stabilize. There you go. First clip is stabilized. Now go ahead and do this for every single clip. But now the issue is, you've got these black bars that jump around, so we need to add our own black bars to cover those up. Add an adjustment clip from the effects section. Drag it to cover the entire video. And then, in the inspector section, go to the cropping, and crop a little bit off the top and bottom, whatever feels right. I found 150% worked pretty decently. If you have issues where the old black bars kind of bleed into the new ones, like this, then what you can do is just select the specific clip that's having the issue and just go in the inspector section, zoom it in. And you can adjust position if you wanted to. If you have any glitches like that where things seem to just sort of bump, it could be a stabilization method. Just change it from perspective to similarity, which tends to work well, at least for Kenobi, but you can choose translation too, and just hit stabilize again, and hopefully that'll solve it. If you want to see what it looks like before and after, you can check bypass stabilization and see the absolute mess, and then uncheck it and play it again and see how it looks. That's pretty good. Now go to the deliver tab, choose your settings that you want, choose a name, choose a location to save it, hit add to render queue, and then just hit render. And there you go, you're done. You're welcome. Subscribe, please.
Strength has returned, but the weakness still remains.